Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Taylor here. So for today's unboxing video, I am going to be unboxing the Beats Solo Wireless version 2 by Dre. And look, it's the special gold edition. Look at how pretty that is. Look at that. It'll match my iPhone. So I wanted to get a pair of headphones that I knew would work with multiple different devices, such as Apple and Android and computers and MacBooks, things like that. And I also wanted something that had the option for a wire, where I could listen to it wirelessly, not have to worry about a wire. However, in the event that when the headphones died, if I wanted to continue listening to music or continue doing whatever I'm doing, then I could plug in the wire. Also, I have like a Nintendo Switch that I travel with all the time, so and that doesn't have Bluetooth, so I've got to have something. I've got to have the audio cable to put it into a headphone jack. So that's why I decided to get these, to see if the sound quality and everything really measures up, and to see how well it works with all my stuff. So anyways, let's go ahead and get unboxing. So, first and foremost, I do love the box. This is super, super cute. I'm loving the color already, and like the packaging, love it. Then, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And ooh, change the way you hear sound. I'm ready. Change the way that I hear sound, please. Okay, so we have carrying case with what feel like the headphones, so let's hold off and let's see what else is in here. So it looks like we have like a little tab where we can pull up. Alright, and then we have the audio cable, okay, and we have a little clip for the carrying case, that's nice, and a charger. So, okay, that's awesome, I like that. And then it looks like right here we have probably the book and care instructions or whatever. Alright. Okay. Let's go ahead and get these open. Ooh, I'm loving that color. With this bag, oh my god, that's so cute. Right, so it looks like there is the lights. Okay, so that looks like it's probably the battery indicator. But it looks like it has two buttons. It's got this one right here where you can see the battery life, I guess, and then it's got this other button right here, which I can assume is probably for pairing. They feel like a pretty good fit. Yeah, I think that I like them. Now, it's definitely going to depend on how well that they travel and how comfortable they are after falling asleep on a plane with them on, if that is even possible. So, yeah, but I do like the way they look. I do like the color. I have seen a lot of different things in reviews of these not being as good audio-wise or as good bass-wise as like Sony headphones and things like that. So I don't know. I'm not like a huge audiophile when it comes to that. I do love music and I listen to it all the time, and I'll like watch TV shows on Netflix and stuff, and they'll come through my headphones. But as long as it sounds good, then I'm fine. I'm not listening for like how deep the bass is and things like that, I guess. So I don't know, but we'll see. But so far, I do have to say that I love the packaging and I love this. So I'm gonna go ahead and try them out and use them for a little bit, go somewhere with them, and then let you guys know on a follow-up Let's Get Packing video whether or not these are pack-worthy headphones. So I think for everything that it came with the fact that they are wireless, but also you can use a headphone cable, and the fact that they look so good, and the fact that it comes with a carrying case, which is really convenient and nice, I think the price point of $200 on Amazon is pretty good for these. So I'm gonna go ahead and link that down below if you guys want to get a pair of these. They come in a variety of colors: blue, red, gold, some other ones. Those are the ones that I can think of off the top of my head. I would definitely check these out. I'll give have a link below, and there will be other options for headphones too if maybe these ones are too expensive for you. So I'll give you guys a couple other options as well down below for headphones that are comparable without necessarily being as expensive as these. And look out for the Let's Get Packing video on the review of these. If you guys want to see more unboxing videos, click the box here. If you guys want to see other review videos of me reviewing products such as this that I've unboxed, then click the box right here. If you did like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, or click somewhere up here to subscribe to my channel as well. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys around the world. Bye.